Inside the engine compartment, there are 3 clips, as indicated by the red arrows, that hold the box to the air inlet along the firewall. Undo the clips and pull the lid up and out. Turn the lid over and remove the old filter. Wipe out any debris that you might have in the bottom of the box and install the new filter, red arrow, into the lid. If you have option 581 or AC in your car, you will need to change the 2 charcoal filters under the dash. Move to the passenger side footwell. Underneath the glove box is a plastic cover that is held on by 2 T20 Torx screws, as indicated by the red arrows, along with a plastic hook. Remove the Torx screws and slide the cover back and carefully work the cover around the trim and down onto the floor of the car. There is a footwell light, red arrow, attached to this panel, but you do not need to remove it for this project. Underneath the panel is the access cover to the filters. It is held in place by a sliding plate that also has 2 tabs on the rear. Slide it back towards the seat and pull it down. The filters are directly under this cover. They are only held in by the cover, so they may fall out when you remove it. If they don't, just reach up there and pull them down. The 2 filters are different sizes and will only fit in the car one way. The larger filter, red arrow, goes towards the driver's side, and the smaller one goes towards the passenger, yellow arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.